Next up is one of these. It's a Master tsa001 cheap luggage type lock. Basic key for it. Opens it up, not much there. If you had to open one non-destructively, I didn't really try anything else other than single pin picking because the keyway is obviously small. I wouldn't expect this to be tying somebody up all day like it is me. There you go, the lock's gone. Nice easy lock, but like I say, not most people just cut the top off, but if you have to open it non-destructively, that's the quickest way of doing it.